Hey guys, slightly different video today with voiceover. On the heating bench today we have this IBM ThinkPad 300. I usually do one last repair before the end of the year, like literally keeping the best for last. And today's occasion was this machine. It had a few issues that I thought I could fix quite quickly, mainly a bad display and a stuck hard drive. These are problems that I've seen many times on PowerBooks, so I thought that the solution would apply in the same way on this IBM machine as well. This is very similar to the PS2 Note. It was also made by Zenith alongside the 300. Both of them were not very popular and were not known to be very reliable machines. So, but today it's not really going to be a video about the PS2 Note. We're going to focus on the IBM ThinkPad 300 instead. Now, I thought I could do a one-shot video of everything and show you how I get it running again, but it turned out to become a nightmare. I had problems upon issues, and it kept going on forever. So I thought I could just save some of the footage and piece together just the fun part, the problems, of course, and hope you'll still get some entertainment out of it. So enjoy the vid. Now let's begin with the display. It's really dark, there is basically no contrast, and that's usually a capacitor issue, and indeed some of them were quite leaky. So I'll remove the display driver board, and then we'll also take a look at the inverter board, which has a similar issue, but it's still working. Well, mistakes have been made. I was going on like a train, replacing all the components, so I already took them off, cleaned the pads, everything was hunky-dory. And then I came to C5, and I literally recklessly, so tiny, recklessly got it off with the big tweezers. No, not this one, that one. And would you know it, it's non-polar. So that's a bit of a problem, because I don't think I have 1 microfarad non-polar capacitors. All right, so check this out. It occurred to me that the capacitor we are replacing is rated at 1 microfarad, while the one that are up here are 2.2 microfarads. And luckily enough, I bought 10 of them. Never happens that I buy more than I need. But let's go to the textbooks. And the textbooks say that if you put two polarized electrolytics back to back with the same polarity, you get a non-polarized capacitor, and because they're in series, the capacity is halved. So essentially what this contraption here is a 1.1 microfarad, or 2.2 divided by 2, at 63 volts approximately, and it's non-polar now. The only thing that's left is figure out a way to get this thing sit right here and not short out with everything else that's going on. But yeah, I didn't bother to check if I had ceramics. I'm gonna try with this one here. We are running short on time, so yeah, let's keep on hustling. Yeah, let's dim. That's perfect. Ha, fantastic. So we now have a display. How nice. I can finally see something. So yeah, let's just stop celebrating. Let's keep moving, and let's do the inverter now. No more backlight. Shoot. Now, I was just about to reverse engineer the entire thing and draw a schematic, but then just look, did you see that? Do you see this small, where is it? This small little piece of wire, almost like a hair? That is basically a fuse. I've never seen such Mickey Mouse stuff. You can see that? Probably not. I picked up a 0 ohm resistor and soldered it in place. Scraped up the trace because it goes to this inductor. Soldered it right here. Will it start? Yay! Haha! Okay, so display is done. What a nightmare. Totally nightmare. Let's see if we can jump into the hard drive. How about now? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so the floppy drive is coming out. Oh, thank God I did it. Would you look at that? Yeah, we need to delete this battery. That's used to keep the RAM powered up while you swap batteries, but of course it's no good anymore. We have the same rubber bumper. That is, yeah, it's shot. So I'm gonna put some tape over it. Let me just close this. Yeah, this gasket is done, which is not good. I hope there is no bumper at the other side, because that would be quite problematic. Okay, fast forward a few more minutes and I've got the case mostly cleaned. We're not gonna, I mean, it's not a beauty contest, to be honest, so it's not really all that critical, and I don't think this blue thing is conductive. Yeah, this connector here, it's not really happy. So it's, I don't know if it's broken or not, but I'm just gonna leave it as is. And oh no, speaker. Guess what? Somebody's having a hard laugh now. Okay, this comes off. This goes in. There should be a felt thing. Oh no, I think I threw away the felt that went here. All right, moment of truth. I think I have everything mostly back together. I'm sick and tired of this thing. I spent like 10 times more time than I would have expected, but would it at least power on? Well, display's alive. That's good. I'm still not hearing the hard drive. Okay, we have video now. Let's see. 0, 1, 1, 1, 5, 33. It's the 01, 01, 1993. 1, 199. Uh-oh. Some of the keys are not working. Shit. You see? Everything needs to fail today. 2002. Okay, 2002 works. We'll deal with the rest of the keyboard later on, to be honest. I just want to see it boot. Hard drive did the seek, which is excellent. Now, please do something. Oh yeah, starting DOS. That's what I wanted to see. Okay, we did it. It's like 1 hour, 16 minutes late, but I did it. Here's the ThinkPad 300. It's working again. I need now to fix the keyboard, put the remaining screws back to where they belong. But yeah, it's booted. And like most of the keyboard isn't running anymore. That's great. Fantastic. Anyhow, I'll think about it another day. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching if you got it this far. And yeah, hope the next video is not as much of a nightmare as this one.